Hey guys, welcome back to Two Chefs. I'm Ryan, and today I'm really excited because I'm going to show you how to make aioli. It's a total game changer because if you know how to make aioli, you don't have to buy mayonnaise ever again. Aioli is so good on all kinds of things. You can use it in tuna salad, you can use it on burgers, any kind of sandwich. The best thing about knowing how to make your own aioli is that you can control all the ingredients. It's literally 3 ingredients. Egg, you need an acid, and you need fat. I like to use avocado oil. You can flavor aioli with all kinds of things. Chipotle, lemon, herbs, Parmesan, the sky's the limit, whatever you want to use. So working as a chef my whole life, every time I've made aioli in a kitchen, it's with this whisk and a bowl and it sucks and your arm hurts and it takes forever. I got a hack for you guys. All you need is one of these stick blenders. Get them on Amazon. They're like 25, 30 bucks and it takes you literally not even a quarter of the time to make it. Let's go over the ingredients and put this thing together. You need 3 pasteurized eggs, clove of garlic, lemon, salt, need some white vinegar and avocado oil. So first thing we need to do is separate the yolks from the whites. In this recipe, all we're gonna be using is the yolks. We don't use the whites in this recipe, but make sure you save the whites. You can make a frittata tomorrow morning or something like that. So, crack your egg and get all the whites off. Now you have your yolk. We got all of our yolks separated from the whites. We're good to go. Now you want to squeeze the juice of 1 lemon onto the yolks. You want to add a pinch of salt, stir it up, let that sit for like 5 minutes. This basically cooks the yolk, kind of like if you're making ceviche with raw fish, the acid would cook the fish. Same kind of a deal. Now you're gonna wanna let that sit for 5 minutes. Now the fun part, we're gonna start to emulsify the aioli. First we're gonna measure out 1 cup of avocado oil. Get yourself a container like this and I'm gonna add the yolks. 1 clove of garlic. You don't have to chop it up. The blender will do that work for you. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of the vinegar and we're gonna start blending. This is just chopping up the garlic. To emulsify the aioli, we're gonna just start adding in the oil. Consistency looks okay, it's a little bit too thick. So I'm gonna add another teaspoon of vinegar. And I'm gonna add a tablespoon of water. There you go. And I'm gonna start blending it up a little bit more. It's starting to look like mayonnaise. I'm gonna give it a taste. It needs a little bit more salt. I'm gonna give it a pinch. Hope you guys can see the consistency of it. It should be just like mayonnaise. There you have it guys. Two Chefs aioli, mayonnaise, whatever you wanna call it. It's delicious. Put it on a sandwich, eat it with a spoon, whatever you gotta do. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.